Hi guys, and welcome to Black Stag Styling. In with us at the moment we have a lovely, as always, Ford Ranger Wildtrak in the black. This is very kindly been brought to us to have a little bit of extra styling done to it by Ben from B&M Concrete. So we are doing to this one a wide arch kit, supplying and fitting that. We're also doing some all-terrain tyres, fitting them to these wheels, and some spacers just to bring the wheels out. It's already had a 50-inch lift, 50mm lift kit done to it, and we're also doing the matte black light surrounds as well. So don't forget to check out some of our other videos, lots of other styling, hydro dip and all sorts of bits and pieces, and we'll start to get this one underway. Don't forget to check out our Instagram and Facebook as well, and follow us on there, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Right, here we go.
Here we go with young Alex fitting the spacers to the Ford Ranger.
We are. So we just got the spacers on. We've copper slipped at the back of the spacer, cleaned it all up, just copper slipped it just so it doesn't get jammed onto the wheel hub, onto where the brake drum is. Put all the bolts in. We're just now going to torque the bolts up. That's the spacer on, and then we've got the wheel will then go onto the new studs on the spacer and bolt to the wheel. Lovely jubbly.
Lovely jubbly.
There we go.
You've got the front wheel on, I see. Here we go, look at that.
So we are supplying and fitting the new all-terrain tyres to the Wildtrak. So we're taking the old tyres off, and Adam is now lubing them up, soaping them up, ready to get them onto the rims.
Lubes. Just
what can you tell us about these, mate?
do a few stretches till you get them up because they're quite big. Well, they're lovely tyres, really. Great on the mud, great on the sand. Gravel, laughs in the face of gravel. And together they're quite heavy to fit.
What about deep mud? Probably not the best for deep mud, are they? But
yeah, deep mud and ponds wouldn't go in them. Probably stay away from them.
But all terrain, not bad at all. Good tyres. So they're rear mounted, aren't they?
Rear mounted tyres, you have to be quite careful you don't scratch your face.
Yeah. So you've masked up the face of the wheel.
Masked up the face, and I've also got
we've also got our rubber
feet.
Yeah, plastic feet on so we don't damage the face of the wheel. We're getting the new tyres on.
And they're quite easy, look, I've got my hands.
He's still got hands, mate.
Oh, no, I haven't. Still no hands.
No hands, just a shoulder.
What's the old shoulder?
Lovely. Here we go.
Oh, mate. We've got the old spacer on here, look.
Yeah,
looking lovely. Copper slits up and took the spacer up, so it's all nice and safe.
Superb. Lovely meaty tyres. Look at them bad boys.
Oh, mate,
bit of all terrain.
When you look at them.
Give us a shout for your tyre needs as well. All terrain through to the mud tyres. Lovely.
Lovely times, eh? Lovely times.
Superb. Hi guys, thank you for checking out our latest YouTube video. So in this one we've decided to do a little giveaway. Everyone likes a giveaway, something for nothing pretty much. So all you've got to do is like and subscribe to our channel. Like the video, like I say, subscribe to the channel. Once we get 500 or more subscribers to our channel, then we'll pick 2 people at random, and then from all of our subscribers, and them 2 people can pick a hat or one of our caps. They're really nice caps for our Black Stag Styling. That's one of them. That's our grey and black one with the white line down the front. They're adjustable on the back, look, so you've got a little adjuster on the back. So either the grey and black or the black and red. You'll be able to take your pick as towards which one you want once we've picked the 2 people at random, and we will send them out to you. So get liking and subscribing. Thanks very much. Right, here we go. So Ad is now taking all the screws out, fixings out, ready to fit the arches, I think, mate.
Yeah, mate.
Is that water going on?
We're on it, mate. Just got to take this old mud flappage off.
Lovely.
Then we have to fit a few clips underneath, and then degrease it, get it on.
Lovely.
Lovely time.
Not too bad to line up.
Not too bad at all. Fit lovely.
Superb.
Shape is all right. Lovely time.
Lovely time.
Lovely times.
Oh, looks like you're getting on well here, Ad.
Oh, mate, we're getting on lovely.
Going on nicely.
We're getting on well. You may notice I've lost the jumper.
You have, yes. Broken into a bit of a sweat.
Turn me collar up like the old Fonz. And watch this power. Ready? Here we go.
And we're watching.
Here we go. I moved the wheel. I removed the wheel without touching it. Ready? Here we go. Not if the steering lock's on, you can't. Not when the steering lock's on, you can't.
Oh dear, never mind. But the wheel arch is looking nice.
Wheel arch, let's go, mate. Looking lovely.
Yeah.
On the tree.
A lovely job.
It's over in it. Yeah, down on the tree now, mate. Couldn't fit better myself. You know what I
And of course, you know, we should say, don't forget to check out B&M Concrete.
Yeah, like and subscribe, all that business.
Lovely.
Brilliant company, actually, I will say. Brilliant company.
That's how, very good. Right, we're now about to fit the matte black headlight surrounds, also the rear light surrounds as well. So this is one of them. We've just got Adam in the background. Here we go. So we're degreasing the headlights. We'll do the same with the rear lights, and then we will be popping these on. So here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Woo! Here we go. So we're lining it up. As you can see, the little white strips are the backings for the sticky pads. So it adds just lining them up and then removing the covers, so it sticks on. Quite easy to fit these. So here we go. Right, we're getting the back ones on now. We had
Last one now, mate.
lights are all cleaned and prepped. Last one. Yeah, he's already got the other one on. Look, there we go.
Yeah. Right, wish me luck.
I'm wishing you luck, but take a little bit more lining up these ones, don't they?
Yeah, you got to go steady, ain't you?
Have a quick look at the other one as that's all done. There we go. Lovely times.
Lovely times.
Hi guys, and thanks for checking out our latest YouTube video. So on this one we're working with a Ford Ranger Wildtrak. It's a 2016 model, and a big thank you to Ben from B&M Concrete for letting us again work with one of his vehicles to do some extra styling. Don't forget to check them out. That'll be on Google. Check out their website. So it's B&M Concrete. So to Ben's pickup truck, we have done the extreme wide arch kit. So this has been color coded to match the vehicle. Just to give a more aggressive look to the vehicle. So these are superb. We've also then supplied and fitted some all-terrain, more aggressive tyres to the wheels. So wheels have been off, fully stripped, new tyres all fitted and balanced. They work well with the wheel arch kit, so now everything sort of levels itself out nicely, much more aggressive. Then we've done the matte black front and rear light surrounds. So they've been fitted. Lights have been prepped, cleaned and prepped, and then fitted to the vehicle as well. Again, the whole package together, not too aggressive, but just gives a much nicer stance to the vehicle. The vehicle's already got a 50mm lift kit fitted to it as well, and the different wheels. So yeah, just finishes it off nicely. So thanks again for checking out the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notifications. That way I stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. Check out some of our other videos. Instagram and Facebook, all the normal stuff. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you again soon. Lovely jubbly.